Hello, and welcome to the It's Raining Crafts vlog. My name is Rena. You can find me on Instagram and Ravelry under SF Chick. Today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. I hope that you're all well. And let's get started. So, I have some finished objects, a finished object, a hoe, and a new project, and a frog project. So the first thing I want to talk about, I frogged. This was going to be a Harkin pullover by Kristen Hipsky. And it had eyelets down the shoulder. So every other row there was a yarn over. And I made like 4 of them so far. No, 3 of them, I think. So this is the result of that. I ripped it out last Friday. I took it to my winder, and I just unraveled the sweater, and it came out like that. But I really wanted to start the Me Serena by Caitlin Hunter. So that's what I did. I started, this is my yarn baby, in the honeybee colorway from CC's Wool. I originally, when I was going to make this sweater, I was going to use a Knit Picks brown, but there was not enough contrast, so, and this is my contrast. This purple color is called Remington by Neighborhood Fiber Company, and their Studio Sock Base. So this is what I have for the Me Serena so far. It is a top-down t-shirt type of short sleeve sweater. So I just transferred it to the cable, and I have these markers to tell me in between every repeat so I don't forget to do my cable chart, because that was another thing with the Me Serena. The last time I was doing it, I was doing the color work, and I wasn't doing the cable chart, the cable or the lace chart. Well, I did a lace. Okay, it starts with lace, and then you go into color. And while you're building the lace and doing the color work, you're also building a cable in between the flowers. So that's that. And so I fudged the pattern a little bit and added 3 stitches on because I needed 3 stitches. This is in my bags from Awesome Granny in the Enchanted Forest make. I love this. It's brown, it's trees, it's squirrels, it's foxes, bunnies. It's just so cute. The next project that I have is a sock. Well, you could call it a hoe. I'm going to make sure that I'm not dropping my stitches, because I'm in the middle of my German short row heel. And if you could hear my mother is in a meeting downstairs. So, the background noise, and we had the doors open too because it's nice outside this morning. Yeah, the door's open and Ellie's running around being zoomy because, well, because she's a cat and she can do what she wants. But this is my Gale's Art sock blank sock from Marilyn Cheappenwool. Not this year, last year. I'm going to say 2019. So, yeah, I'm working. This is the back of the sock, and this is the front of the sock. And I do my socks magic loop, 64 stitches. I have a marker on the front to tell me it's the front, and then I have this marker to tell me there's 16 stitches there on either side. And when you turn it around, that bright red marker is my 16 stitch marker, and these two stitch markers are to tell me that there's 10 stitches in here. So that's what I did. And then I started making a hat for a friend who's diagnosed with cancer. A few weeks ago we found out. So, Dawn, I miss you. So, this is a Crazy Sour Ball that I bought at the yarn store, and she said she'd like to see what I make out of it. So I'm going to make her a hat of the sour ball. I made a hat before. Well, I started a hat. It was too thin with this yarn. So I went to Needles and made a hat, another hat, and I twisted my stitches. But this was carrying around in a new bag, llamas and alpacas and cactuses with space helmets. It's so cute and it's so whimsical, and I love it. And this sour ball is in there. But those are all my current projects that I am working on. Frogged projects, my hoe, and my future projects. So I went to the doctor. The last time I mentioned I was going to the doctor for my headaches, and he came off a drug that he had me on, and it cured it. I had no bad sinus headaches. And then but I still have eye strain in my eye, in my left eye. And forgot what I was going to say. Oh, sorry about that. I got a stronger prescription. So I'll be getting new glasses in 2 weeks, maybe, by the end of the month. So, and then Kellen started school, and he loves it. And I get so many good reports about him, and then he comes home and he's all like, and arguing with Dave, and and doing all that. But he's 9 years old, and he's going through some changes right now, and I wish that I can make him feel better, but I can't. Anyway, Ellie is Ellie. She's sitting by the front door with the wind, and this weekend we're going to the park in Red Lion to see his friend Luke, who is in the same grade but goes to another school now. And so that'll be good for him to get out and see his friend. And then on Sunday, my knit group, we Zoom on Mondays and Thursdays, and then we're gonna see each other on Sunday. So it'll be fun, and I can't wait to see my ladies again. It's been a while. I saw some of them recently, but the whole group, we're not allowed to, because of COVID, there's limitations. So I understand that, but I still miss the whole group. But anyway, I'm going to upload this and get moving on my chart or my sock. I'll finish this sock heel. But I wanted to come on and talk to you and say I hope that you have a good day and happy knitting. Bye-bye.